Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Car Detection. And you know, I know you've seen other videos of this car. This is our 78 Corvette that we put a 502 in it with a Tripower setup on top of it, 3 carburetors. But we were having some issues in the engine compartment as far as heat. I mean, we did everything trying to get this heat down, and we finally figured out that, you know, on a Corvette, it's all fiberglass and it's holding that heat in. So we need to get that heat out of that engine compartment. So we found these vents online, center vent to the hood, side vents, and you're probably wondering, what's the fender gonna do? Well, if you recall on these, there's an area on the inside of this fender that's open where the upper control arm is. And we've opened all of that up so that air is gonna draw out like this. See how I do that? See that? Just like that. So that air is gonna come out of the engine compartment, and it's gonna be cool, and we're gonna get the temperature down inside that engine compartment. That's the whole idea of this. So if you've got some heating problems out there, or carburetor problems, or transmission problems, well, you need something restored. You know where to bring it, folks. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.